What's up, guys? This is my new belt, WWE version, Big Eagle. It's been re-leathered, AJ straps. Bought it this way, got a steal of a deal. I mean, a really good deal. She's missing a crystal right there, and missing a crystal right there. Other than that, immaculate shape. I may paint the WWE symbol white, just to match the McMahon family crest and the other WWE trademark logos. I was going to re-leather this myself until I realized in order to re-leather it, I would have to literally tear this apart. In order to get at the bolts or the screws at the back, I would have to destroy this strap. And I just don't think that that's something I am willing to do. Because it is a nice strap. It's real leather, real floppy. It's good stuff. So unfortunately I won't be re-leathering this anytime soon. I really wanted a dark blue strap for this baby, but that's alright. Beautiful belt. Also, what I've been doing is, now that I have 3, they're kind of getting harder to store. So I've gone and I've made wall hangers. See? There's a wall hanger right there. And another one. And now, I've never seen wall hangers like this before. This is my own creation, and the reason why there's room for 3 snaps is just because the Ultra Deluxe is very heavy. Very heavy, and to be honest, I just don't want all the stress on 2 snaps. I'd rather have the weight distributed between 2, 3 straps, or I mean snaps, and it's just something I decided to do because, like I said, the weight of the Ultra Deluxe. So that's 1 I made, that's 2 I made, and then 3. This one's for the Attitude belt. Just quickly made up. I ran out of snaps, as you can see. Not going to be able to finish it until I can make it back to the Leathercraft store. That's alright though. I'm pretty excited to hang these up beside each other. Just give you one more look. It does have that there. I just used scrap pieces of leather, so I might actually go ahead and put some effort into these, but just let me show you what it will look like. You know, it'll look like that when it's hanging up, which is pretty nice. You know, I like it. So yeah, that's my wall hanger I've made. And again, there's my Ultra, my Attitude, WWE, and my homemade re-leathered Winged Eagle that I showed you guys last time. You know, so she's still looking great. It's my first belt. I didn't know how the dye would affect the leather. I didn't know how it would work out, but she's still looking really good. So yeah, there you go. I just want to show you a bit of the tooling on this. Like I said, I bought this on eBay for a steal. He did not tell me who re-leathered it. I'm guessing it was AJ Straps because the snaps are crooked. But and look at the tooling. It's okay, you know. It's okay, but all in all, it's a good belt. I like it. So, you know, that just screams to me AJ Straps. If anybody has any idea, really, you know, feel free to put your opinion out there. Sorry about the lighting in here, it's kind of dark. You've got your 6th plate there. And I'm not sure if these things are becoming more and more rare to find or what. If somebody has information on that, learn me some, because I'm not too sure. So there's my belts, my babies, and my new wall hangers for the wall. Again, this is what it will look like when it is on the wall. See? Any questions, comments? Be happy to answer them. And there you go. It's my latest video. Like I said, if anybody has any ideas of, you know, re-leather of one of the 2 belts that I have, you want to see a white strap, you know, let me know what you want to see, because I might just go ahead and do that. I'm kind of out of ideas right now because I was planning on re-leathering the the Attitude one. So now that I can't do that, I'm kind of stumped. So just let me know what you guys think, and I'll be putting out another video, you know, within the next little while. So just stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe.